Guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will see regarding the inheritance in Python. So this is our 12th chapter of Python, wherein we will see regarding how inheritance works and what all things are required to be done in inheritance. So just open your VS Code or PyCharm, whichever you are comfortable with, and let's understand it with an example. So let's say we have a class dog, okay, and some function inside it. So let's say def talk, and this will just write print talk. Okay, so we have a class dog over here which is having one method called talk. Similarly, we have a cat. Let's say a cat class, and this cat class is also having a talk method. Okay, then print the talk. Now what happens, guys? So here we have two class which is having same methods inside it. So in Python we use dry methods, that is, do not repeat yourself. So if you repeat yourself, your code is going to be lengthy. First, second thing, whatever changes you will make in one code, let's say this particular code is having some issues. Here it is only 2 line of codes, but wherein you have 100 line of codes, there you will have let's say some problem existing over there. Then in that case, what you have to do, you have to go to each and every such codes and make some changes. So it is better not to repeat yourself. So for that purpose we will use the inheritance. So inheritance is nothing but it's just like a it is inheriting the property of the parents. So what I'll do, instead of these two, I'll just write pass for time being. I'll write pass. Now I'll create a class, let's say mammal. Okay, so I've created class mammal and I define this particular function. So def talk, okay, and here you write print talk. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just inherit these properties, this def properties, this def functions inside it. The class dog will inherit this property, the class cat will also inherit this property. So I'll make object out of dog. So I'll say dog1 equals to dog, and I'll write dog function, and then I'll print dog1 dot talk. Now I'm not getting any suggestions over here. Why? Because I have not inherited the property of mammal. So for inheritance you have to write over here, simply write mammal. And now if you write talk, it will show you this property talk self. If you just run the program, you will see that it has given the proper talk. So I'll simply write I speak when I am spoken to. Okay, so here you see it has written. I'll put some smiley. Okay, now when I just run it, see, I speak when I am spoken to. So it has, what this dog has done, it has inherited this property from mammal. Similarly, you want to make for cat, so you just write cat and mammal, and it will inherit the property of cat. So I'll make an object out of cat. So cat1 equals to cat, okay, and then I'll write cat1 dot talk. Okay, and when I do that, it will print the same thing twice, because this is also having the same property, this is also having the same property. Now it will print. See, I want some separation between this, so I'll write print now it will have have a separation, you see. Okay, I can also add any methods inside it, so I'll say def sleep, and I'll write print I sleep whenever feel necessary. Okay, so instead of calling this cat or talk methods, I'll call sleep method, and then you see I sleep whenever I feel necessary, I speak whenever I am spoken to. This is for dog, this is for cat. And here also you can add some smiley, sleepy smiley, where is it, anything like that. Okay, so I'll just put this for timing. So this was all about the inheritance, guys, and we had seen the inheritance, how we are inheriting the property from a parent one. So this particular class is a parent, and these two classes which is inheriting the property is called as a child. So that's all, guys, for this lecture. I'll see you in next lecture in Python, wherein we will see some more properties regarding inheritance. And till the time, see you, take care.